everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video I shall tell you about the Pi network. Is it fraud or you can really make money on it? How much truth in this app? So let's start here. Nowadays Pi network is very popular and many friends have sent me their link. As an internet based, it is my duty to provide you with a clear information about this website so that you know exactly that what you are doing when you make a decision on it. Let's have a look. You have to open this app daily, click a button to get a digital currency, and that's it. And on that basis someday you will start making money. If you want to raise your level, invite people to join the Pi network, and by doing this you will start getting more digital currencies. Pi network has published a white paper on its official website so that they can tell the world about themselves. First of all, the Pi network has not yet announced when it will launch digital currency. Since March last year, consumers have been just waiting. When they feel that their software is ready, we will launch the Pi network currency, the white paper said on it. It means that there is nothing that you can trust on this app. You can read the white paper yourself by searching on Google, but this information is available on their site. Pi network code is an open source code. As much as you know about technology, you don't know what the business is all about. This is because there is no business going on. What does it mean for ordinary users that Pi network has no blockchain or crypto system? This means that the company is talking about the currency that does not exist. A company called OneCoin has done this before. Yes, OneCoin and OneLife network also worked like a Pi network. The company linked itself to cryptocurrencies like the Pi network, the cryptocurrencies that never existed. But how did we or the investigating agencies find out? In fact, found out because there was no crypto system in this, and you can say it is a biggest fraud in the history. Currently, in the world of digital currency, one Bitcoin cost is equal to almost 50,000 US dollars, and one Pi is equal to almost 0.0124 US dollars. The withdrawal system is not cleared yet. You can do investment at your own risk in these type of cryptocurrencies. Now, at last, the question is, where is the digital currency? Where is the coding system to prove its existence? And how long can you convert your money into dollars or any other currencies? When you will see the Pi network trading in the real world? Answering these questions may be easy for our society, but rest assured, it is impossible to answer with evidence. Why? Because there is no such things as a digital currency.